Good morning, scholars. Today we're going to progress a little further into Book 2 of the Iliad, looking at lines 48 to 75. This is where Agamemnon reports his dream to the assembled Greek chiefs. He osmen ra te a, prosebeseto makron Olympon. Xenipos ereusa, kai alois athanatoisen. Alta ho ke rukesi, lugu bogoise ke luse, ke rusen agoren de, kare como ontasakaius. Hoi men eke ruson, toi de geron to mal oka. Bulen de proton, megatumon his de geronton. Nestorei para nei puloi gene os basileos. Tus hoge psukalesas, pukinen artu neto bulen. Klute piloi, de os moi enup, di o enup ni on elden oneros. Ambrosien dia nukta, malesta de nestori di oi, edos te megatos te buen tankista he oike. Ste da huperke pales, kai me prosmuton ewepen. Iudes atre os vi da I pronos hipatamoi o, ucre panukion Iuden, bule poron andra, hoi la oi epete thrapatai, kai tosa melele. Nun demeten sunesoka, dios detoi angelos emi, hosiu anuten et on, megakedetai ed eleaire. Dorexai se keluse, care como ontasakaius, pan sudie, nun gaken helois polin eru agrian tro on. Uga et ampis, Olympia domate contes, athanatoi brasdontai, epenam sengahabantas, here lisomene, tro esti decede epeptai, ec dios. Alasu sesen ekefresen, hos homen epon, oiket apoptamenos, eme de glukos hypnos aneken. Al aget eken pos dorexomen huiasakaion, prota degon webesin peresomai, he demesesten, kai bugen suneusi, polucle isi geluso. Humes daloten halos, ere tu ein ewepesen. He osmen ra de a prosebeseto makron Olympon. Xenipos ereusa kai alois athanatoisen. So prosebeseto is a third singular aorist middle, which means to go one's way or to proceed in a specific direction. And so it takes this makron Olympon, being the poetic accusative of destination. Prosebeseto makron Olympon. Now, aero from which this ereusa comes is to be herald or to be the harbinger of X. So when it occurs in this expression with dawn or the morning star, so this is Heos, Boos, ereusa zeni. So Boos is the light of the sun, and Poos ereusa means basically harbinging or speaking the light of the sun. And we have these datas. Zeni kai alois atana toisen. So, he osmen ra dea, prosebe seto macron olumpon. Zeni pos ereusa kai alois atana toisen. Now, the rest of this vocabulary analysis and grammar analysis will be reserved for my patrons on Patreon. So please do click the link in the description, go to Patreon, and for a mere $1 a week, you can become a financial supporter and have full access to these videos. He os men rate a, prosebe seto macron olumpon. Zeni po os ereusa, kai alois atana toisen. Altar ho, keruke se, li gup dongoi se keluse. Kerusein agorende, kare como ontasakaius. Hoi men keruson, toi de geronto mal oka. Bulen de proton, megatumon his de geronton, ne store I para ne I, puloi geneos basileos. Tus hogesu kalesas, bukinen artuneto bulen. Clute biloi, de os moi enup ni on el den oneros, ambrosian dianukta, malasta de nestori dioi, edos te megetos te puen tangista oige. Ste da huper kepales, kai me pros muton eben. Hudes atre oswi da I pronos hippodamoio? Cre panukion. Huden bule poron andra. Hoi la oi epetetra patai, kai tosa me mele. Nun demeten sunes oka, dios de toi angelos emi. Hos su anu teneon, mega ke de tai aid eleire. Dorex I se keluse, care como ontas acaius, pan sudie. Nun garken helois palen eru aguiantro on. Uga et ambis, Olympia domate contes, athanatoi frasdontai. Epegnapsen ga hapantas, here lis amene. Trois esse de que de epeptai, ec dios. Alasu, se sen eke fresen, hos homen epon, oiget apoptamenos, eme de glucus hypnos anegen. Al aget aiken pos, dorexomen huiasakaion, prota degon epese peresomai, he temes este. Kai pugen suneusi polucle si kelluso. Humes daloten alos eretu ein elbeesen. Okay, so here we have a picture of, well, I guess we can imagine that this is Agamemnon telling the assembled leaders of the Greek forces about his dream. And we'll continue this wonderful scene full of political implications that classic scholars have revisited again and again to try to mine, because this bit in book 2, especially on upcoming bit with a very unique character, is almost singular in the Iliad for its political exposure implications. But we'll be under that soon enough. Everyone, have a good day, and do consider becoming a Patreon supporter so as to have full access to all the things, the materials and lessons that I post. Have a good day, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.